Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Mo and you are welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. This is the second day I'm shooting with my newly purchased ring light. The shot that I posted last day, it was the first day. Now I don't even care. I can film whenever I want, whether it is sunny, gloomy, rainy, whatever. Today I will talk about hair care. I rarely talk about hair care, right? Look, when you have something in ample amount, you don't really care. You start giving them value. You start realizing them value when you start losing them. Same. I had huge amount of hair. But after pandemic, things are becoming worse and worse day by day. I not only suffered hair loss, extreme hair loss, moderate hair loss, my hair shaft condition becomes worse and worse. And this is when I started doing little bit of hair care. In today's video, I will be sharing some products that have been helpful for me. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, consider subscribing my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on my Instagram. Let's go. A quick disclaimer, this video is solely my personal real life experience with those products. I'm not here recommending any products. I'm not here educating anyone because I'm not eligible for that. The way I talk about skincare and fragrances, my knowledge regarding hair care and makeup is not up to the mark, rather quite shallow. So if you are okay with that, then we can go on. Otherwise, skip it and save your time. First, oil. I love putting oils. Koi kuch bhi bole. And the oil that works the best for my hair, especially for my shaft, improving them, conditioning them, is nothing but coconut oil. No one can replace my love for coconut oil. And the oil that I have been using for a very long time is this one from Maxcare. It's their 100% natural and cold pressed virgin coconut oil extracted from coconut milk. It's also edible. In fact, I have used it in my cooking sometimes. I have been using it for 5-6 years. I'm using it, my family is using it, and I'm pretty happy, pretty satisfied with that. Next, Safa Kalonji oil. First, I heard it mostly on Shomapti's video. Yes, she was raving about it, and after that, I have been seeing it over and over in many people's feed. And I tried it, and it's pretty good. I mainly focus it on my scalp, not that much on hair shaft. And I'm pretty satisfied with that. I also heard that Kalonji oil is very good for preventing your premature graying, but it doesn't work on elders. Something that you have been using from childhood, then it will work. Hibiscus oil from Inatur with amla, bringraj, fennel, geranium and jatamansi. It also comes with an applicator, this one. What an affordable oil that works so good for my hair. This was my first bottle. I have one bottle in my in-laws' house. I have one bottle in my house. And this is my fourth bottle. It mainly helps me in reducing my hair fall issue. I use it almost 2 times in a week. And it took me 1.5 months to 2 months to see a visible result. I mainly focus it on my scalp, but I also use it on my hair shaft. Sometimes I also mix it with my coconut oil and I use it on my hair shaft. I use it overnight and then I wash it off next day. But do not leave it for more than 1 night. Few times I kept it for 2 nights because I did not have time to wash my hair. And on 3rd day when I washed my hair, I saw it increasing my hair fall. Because despite of being very lightweight, it is lighter than coconut oil. Still it becomes sticky. It makes your hair sticky when it gets in contact with water or sweat. But when I use it for 1 night and then I wash it off, it is very good, very good oil. Next, shampoo. I am a dedicated buyer to this L'Oreal shampoo. I always buy the biggest size because it works the best for my hair. I have very dry and frizzy hair with oily scalp, and I prefer shampoos that keep my scalp clean without drying out my hair shaft. And this one does exactly what I am looking for. I have also tried their orange one. It's also good, but I find the purple one is more gentle. My biggest issue with trying new shampoo is whenever I try in a new shampoo, my hair takes time to get used to with it. And during this adjustment period, the amount of hair fall I suffer is so heartbreaking. That's why I don't like switching shampoos. But I do use whenever I receive any sample. And the sample that took my heart is this one. Moisture Kick shampoo from Schwarzkopf. Not only this one, I will talk about the entire range because this entire range works so well with my hair. It is a clear gel formula that is more on the hydrating side. So if you have oily to very oily hair, it's not for you. Most probably. It's mainly for dry hair because it cannot cut down oil that much. That's why I don't use it when I have oil on my hair. I rather use it when I have hair mask on my hair. Or mostly the days when I don't have anything on my hair, but my hair scalp still feeling very oily, I wash it. It cleanses my scalp well without drying my hair. I also used this shampoo from L'Adore. I received 2 pouches and those 2 pouches lasted me for 4 uses. It's again a clear gel formula that foams up really well. It's not as hydrating as it is or as gentle as it is, but it cleanses my scalp really well without drying my hair shaft, and that is what I am looking for. Next, conditioner. I don't use conditioner. Conditioner causes hair fall for me. Rather, I opt for a hair mask. And I always use hair mask before I shampoo and not after I shampoo. If I don't have time, I leave it for 30 minutes. If I have time, I leave it for 2 hours and I do my work and I jump into my shower. I feel very awkward putting hair mask after I do my shampoo and leaving it for 10 minutes inside my washroom. वो 10 मिनट में क्या करूँगी? नाचूंगी? I can't even wash my body because after washing those creamy products like hair mask or hair conditioner, whatever you are using, those products will be all over your body. You have to wash your body after you wash your creamy products. That's why I always go for hair mask before I do my shampoo. And the mask that I have been using, recommending, gifting, sharing is this one from Schwarzkopf. It's their hydrating cream mask for dry hair. It works amazing for my hair. It keeps my hair very hydrated. It's creamy, it's thick, and it keeps my hair very soft, silky, and it also defines my curl. This is something that I have noticed a lot, and that's why I love it the most. And the quantity is top notch. Your mother will be happy too. कि उसको लगेगा कि ये डब्बा खत्म होगा, इसमें मैं शक्कर रखूंगी. Right? Next is this Absolute Repair Quinoa Mask from L'Oreal. It's a sample that I received as a free gift with my purchase. Now it's working very fine for my hair, but I feel that if you have straight hair, it would work even better. I mean, my hair is so dry and frizzy and curly that it works good, but it does not hold my curl that much like the way it does. But it works pretty decent. I might go for a full size product. I'm actually looking for the serum from the same range. I recently purchased 2 hair oil, 1 hair mask and 1 scalp serum. I'm looking to try out many different scalp serum for reviewing. I will keep you updated because it's been just 1 month, less than 1 month I'm using them. So I need little bit of time to reach to any conclusion. Don't worry, I will again keep you updated. And that's all with my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.